Hello everyone and welcome back to another Lab Token update. If you're holding Lab Token or planning to invest in it, make sure you watch this video until the very end, because today's analysis could help you understand what might happen next. Over the last 24 hours, Lab Token has delivered an impressive recovery, gaining around 7% as buyers stepped back into the market. At the same time, the market capitalization has climbed to nearly $67 million, and is now moving closer to the $68 million mark. Trading activity has also increased, with the 24-hour trading volume reaching approximately $10.65 million, representing a 14% increase compared to the previous day. These numbers show that interest in Lab Token is slowly returning, but the most important question is whether this rally is the beginning of a larger bullish move or simply another short-term pump before the market experiences another correction. Today, we'll look at the latest update from the Lab team, analyze the current price action, discuss whale activity, and identify the key levels every trader should watch. Before looking at the chart, let's first discuss the latest announcement from LAB's official social media page. The team recently shared a very interesting message about the future of trading. According to LAB, the biggest users of trading platforms over the next decade may no longer be humans. Instead, intelligent AI agents could become the dominant participants in financial markets. The team explained that we are already moving toward a future where artificial intelligence can analyze markets, monitor open positions, manage risk, and execute trading strategies in real time without requiring constant human intervention. This is actually becoming more realistic every year as AI technology continues improving. Modern AI systems can process massive amounts of market data within milliseconds, identify patterns that many traders may miss, and react much faster than humans whenever market conditions suddenly change. There are already many examples of AI-powered trading bots operating successfully in financial markets. Some developers have created automated trading systems that started with very small amounts of capital and gradually generated impressive profits by following disciplined strategies. While these stories should always be viewed carefully and never considered guaranteed results, they demonstrate how powerful artificial intelligence has become in the trading world. LAB believes this trend will continue growing, which is why the project is investing significant effort into developing AI trading agents that can work alongside human traders. Imagine having your own intelligent assistant capable of monitoring the market 24 hours a day, analyzing technical indicators, watching support and resistance levels, and automatically executing trades based on the strategy you define. That appears to be the direction LAB wants to move toward. Of course, no AI can guarantee profits because every trading system depends on its programming, market conditions, and proper risk management. But there is no doubt that AI will play an increasingly important role in crypto trading over the coming years. Now, let's shift our attention back to the chart because this is where things become even more interesting. Looking at the recent price action, Lab Token has bounced strongly from its previous lows and is currently forming a healthy recovery. Buyers have returned, and the price has started creating a sharp upward move that almost resembles a parabolic curve. This is certainly encouraging for short-term bulls, but we should remain cautious because we've seen similar situations before. On multiple occasions, Lab Token experienced strong rallies only to face aggressive selling pressure shortly afterward. Large holders, commonly known as whales, often use these rallies as opportunities to take profits, creating several consecutive red candles that push the price back down. This pattern has repeated itself several times over the past few weeks, which is why traders should avoid becoming overly excited after only one bullish day. One of the most important technical levels on the chart remains the support zone around 12 cents. Every time the price has approached this level, buyers have stepped in and prevented a deeper decline. This tells us that there is still meaningful demand in this area. As long as Lab Token continues holding above the 12-cent support, the short-term structure remains relatively healthy. If buying momentum continues increasing, the price could potentially move toward the next resistance area between 16 cents and 18 cents. However, reaching resistance does not automatically mean the breakout will succeed. Traders should wait for confirmation because resistance levels often attract sellers, especially if whales decide to secure profits after the recent recovery. If LAB reaches the 16 to 18 cent region and sellers begin entering the market with strong volume, another correction would not be surprising. In that situation, the price could revisit the support zone between 12 cents and 14 cents before attempting another recovery. This type of movement would simply represent normal market behavior rather than the end of the overall trend. Markets rarely move in straight lines. Healthy rallies are usually followed by temporary pullbacks before the next major move begins. Understanding this cycle helps traders remain patient instead of making emotional decisions during periods of volatility. Another positive sign is the continued growth of the LAB community. The project now has approximately 28,000 holders, an increase compared to previous weeks. A growing holder base generally reflects increasing interest in the project and can provide stronger long-term support if investors remain confident. However, it's important to remember that even with thousands of holders, whale activity can still have a significant influence on short-term price movements. Large investors possess enough capital to create sudden pumps or dumps, making proper risk management essential for every trader. Overall, LAB token is currently showing several encouraging signs. The price has recovered, trading volume is increasing, market capitalization continues growing, and the development team remains focused on expanding AI-powered trading technology. These factors have improved market sentiment, but confirmation is still required before declaring that a major bullish trend has begun. For now, the 12-cent support remains the key level protecting the market, while the 16-cent to 18-cent resistance zone represents the next major challenge for buyers. A strong breakout above resistance, supported by high trading volume, could open the door for further upside, while rejection from resistance could lead to another healthy correction before the next attempt. As always, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research, develop a proper trading plan, and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Let me know your opinion in the comments below. Do you believe LAB token can continue building momentum and eventually move toward much higher prices? Or do you expect another correction before the next major rally begins? If you enjoyed today's analysis, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest LAB token update.